Hey everyone, welcome back to The Budget Boss. Today, we're going to talk about something that's on a lot of people's minds: how to save up for a car. Whether you're looking for a new ride to replace your old one, or you're buying your first car, saving up can be a challenge. But don't worry, we've got you covered with some tips and tricks to make it easier. Step 1. Set a budget. The first thing you need to do is figure out how much you can afford to spend on a car. Set a realistic budget based on your income and expenses. Remember, you don't want to be strapped for cash after you buy the car. Step 2. Decide on the type of car you want. Once you've set your budget, think about what type of car you want. Do you need a car for commuting, or do you want something more fun to drive on the weekends? Think about your lifestyle and what type of car will fit your needs. Step 3. Research prices. Now that you know what type of car you want, research the prices. Check out different dealerships, online classifieds, and private sellers to get an idea of what the car you want is selling for. Make a list of the prices you find and compare them to your budget. Step 4. Create a savings plan. Now that you know how much the car you want costs, it's time to create a savings plan. Determine how much you can realistically save each month and set up a savings account specifically for your car fund. You may need to adjust your budget to make sure you're saving enough. Step 5. Find ways to cut costs. If you're having trouble saving enough each month, look for ways to cut costs. You could reduce your entertainment expenses, find ways to save on groceries, or consider taking on a side hustle to earn extra money. Step 6. Keep track of your progress. As you start saving, keep track of your progress. Update your savings account regularly and celebrate milestones along the way. It can be motivating to see how far you've come and how close you are to reaching your goal. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to saving up for a car. Remember, it takes time and discipline, but it's worth it in the end. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to The Budget Boss for more finance tips and tricks.